Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, our video Business Model Canva. The company name is Apple. Apple is an American multinational technology company. The revaluation the technology sector through it is innovation of computer software, personal computer, mobile tablet and smartphone, etc. One of the most recognized brand in the world. Apple created the first commercially successful personal computer and was also the first to bring graphical user interface into mass adoption. Founded by Steve Jobs in 1976, Apple set a new benchmark in product innovation, user-centric functionality and design and multi-product integration. Apple redefined and transformed the capability of modern computer. Further, Apple innovated the industry by establishing a marketplace ecosystem for third-party application developers, leveraging this new economic to expand its product functionalized and strengthen its position. The company is headquartered in California. Key product and service. Magic Computer. Evaluating since 1984, the MAC line has set standard in the world of personal computing. iPhone. Essentially a computer packaged in a flat cup, the iPhone was a game changer in mobile technology, altering the way people communicated and consume media. iPad. Bridging the gap between smartphone and adopted the iPad opened up a new market for digital tablets since 2010. iPod. A digital music player, the like of which had not been seen since the Sony Walkman. The iPod revaluation the music industry in 2001, transferring the way listen consumer music. Apple Watch. Launched in 2015, the Apple Watch is among the most denominated product in the wearable tech sector. MacBook. Apple brand of laptop computer, the MacBook has become a mainstay in personal and professional environment. Apple TV Plus. As Apple entry into the streaming entertainment service, Apple TV Plus has become a dominant player in the subscribed-based entertainment sector. AirPods. Since the product launched 2016, AirPods have become a leader in the wireless audio markets. Objectives. The main objectives of Apple Incorporation is to design and deliver high quality, innovative technology products that enhance your experience. The company focuses on creating a ecosystem where hardware, software and service work together effectively. Apple aims to maintain its position as a market leader by emphasizing innovation, premium design and customer satisfaction. Under the leadership to Tim Cook, Apple also prioritizes environment, sustainability, privacy protection and expanding its service business such as cloud storage and digital entertainment. Advantage. The major advantage Apple is its strong brand value and global recognition. Customer trust Apple product for their quality, reliability and performance. Another advantage, it is a integrated ecosystem devices. like iPhone, MAC, iPad, and Apple Watch connected smoothly, providing a unified user experience. Apple also focused heavily on security and privacy, which attract user concern about data protection. Additionally, the company earned high product due to premium pricing strategy and loyal customer base. Continuous innovation such as improvement in procedure and software helps Apple stay ahead of competitor. Its retail store and customer service also contribute to a strong user experience. Disadvantage: Apple some disadvantage: it is product are often expensive, making them less accessible to price sensitive consumer. The company follow a closed ecosystem which limited customization and compatibility with non-Apple sector. Another disadvantage, it is a heavy dependence on iPhone sales for revenue, which can be risk to demand decline. Furthermore, Apple face strong competition from companies offering similar features at lower price, especially in developing market. Conclusion: overall, Apple objectives of innovation and quality has made it a leading global brand, but high pricing and limited flexibility remain key challenges. Thank you.